Today we're pleased to announce our economic data for the caravan industry in Victoria. In 2017, our industry is now worth $2.1 billion to the Victorian economy. That's up from $1.4 billion in 2011. We also employ 6,600 people, which is 1,450 people up from 2011. We are truly the powerhouse of the recreational vehicle industry in Australia. Of course, we also contribute $680 million to the Victorian economy through wages and value add. Another impressive statistic is the full-time employment growth in our industry, and has grown by 28% since 2011. Of course, this growth hasn't happened by chance. In 2012, the Caravan Industry Association of Victoria released, for the first time in Australia, the Victorian Caravan Camping Industry Blueprint. This blueprint had a number of major initiatives to grow the industry. Now we're seeing 6 years later, those growth targets coming through in the statistics that we're releasing today. Of course, we were very ambitious in those targets, and we continue to make sure that we are growing the industry. And of course, another major initiative is our National Caravan Industry Training College, which we knew would grow over time and which is now becoming the focus point of improving the quality and business standards of the caravan industry in Victoria. The future is looking bright for the caravan industry in Victoria. Of course, there's still much to be done, and we continue to work very hard on behalf of the members and consumers to ensure that our industry continues to grow. For more information on the caravan industry, you can visit ciavic.com.au.